Hello, my name is Priscilla Azure, and I would like to introduce my business opening up in Great Falls, Montana, called Capture the Moment Event Planning. I plan and design weddings and many other events in the state of Montana. With over 20 years of experience in customer relations, my partners and I are dedicated to provide you with legendary customer service and committed to planning your wedding and/or event stress-free. Event planning is stressful because everything needs to be perfect and there are many tasks to be done while keeping a smile on your face. Remember, you only have one shot at making everyone happy and capturing all the moments. The problem with most event planners today is that they are overbooked and in a hurry, or they just don't have the experience to make their clients their number one priority. They lack customer service and affordable options. The solution is easy. Hire me. I utilize technology and other efficiencies so I can put all of my focus into you. Let me plan a day of your dreams within your budget. Most importantly, allow me to showcase 20 plus years of legendary customer service, wowing your guests, family, and friends. As Sam Walton puts it, the goal as a company is to have customer service that is not the best, but legendary. After all, this is your day. There is no better opportunity than now. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts event planners will increase by 11% between 2016 and 2026. Also, competition is very low in Great Falls, and we are centrally located. I have a committed photographer who works around your schedule. I provide live streaming so no one has to miss your big day. I provide 3D visuals of your venue, which can save you tons of money on traveling. And lastly, I utilize technology to increase efficiencies so I spend less time on tasks and more time on focusing on what you want. I serve anyone who is looking to get married, mostly engaged couples. The average age to get married is between 20 to 35 years old. But I also serve busy families looking for help in planning retirement parties or milestone birthday parties and so forth. Lastly, I serve corporations that want to host company events. My commitment is making you my number one priority. You deserve to take credit on a day everyone won't forget while not lifting a finger. I'm a quick problem solver, so have no fear if things go wrong. I will get them fixed. I provide creativity in your planning, so if you want something else that nobody has, or if you want just something different, I will make it happen. I am connected to the community and have many partners on my side who are also eager to make you their number one priority. But mostly, I am passionate about you. I truly want your day to be stress-free and what you imagined. After providing a short video of my services and interviewing 7 people age ranging from 18 to 66 years old, their number one priority for a wedding event planner is high quality customer service. Their second priority is availability, and their third priority is 3D technology. Only 2 of the interviewees were interested in 3D technology. I charge $4,500 to plan your entire wedding, which includes all of the planning from choosing your vendors to the day of setup. I assist with your design or prepare the design for you and also provide budget assistance. As many of my interviewees mentioned, it would be awesome to pay this price and have someone plan my entire wedding while I relaxed and enjoyed myself. As mentioned earlier, competition is low in Great Falls. I have one direct competitor who is, they're called Rustique, and they provide event planning services as well. The other competitor is Prop Arc Entertainment, who provides DJ services, lighting, and other equipment for events. So they are not my direct competitor. Of course, there's always other alternatives, such as new planners popping up who has little to no customer service experience and probably doesn't utilize technology like I do. And you can always do it yourself. But be prepared to be stressed out and exhausted by the time the big day arrives. Wouldn't you rather enjoy yourself through the whole process and be ready to have fun the day of the event? Now on to the important part. Financial feasibility. The population in Great Falls is approximately 59,000 people. Research shows 29% have never been married, while 53% are not married. And then the alternative is 47% are married. Based on my cost analysis and assumptions, the price the customer pays, which is $4,500, minus the photographer, DJ, and catering costs, my gross margin would be 29%. In my research, I also found that 2% of the population here get married per year, while 7,000 people live alone, increasing the probability of someone getting married. My cash flow calculations came out to the following. My NPV, or net present value, is at $538,944 over the 5-year span. My internal rate of return is at 357%. And my break even is at 4.77, or rounded up to about 5 weddings per year that I would have to host. And improvements. There's always improvements. My improvements would be to provide my own rental equipment and prepare my own flower arrangements, making it more convenient for myself and for my clients to have a one-stop shop. And I would also like to pamper my clients with gift certificates to local vendors. After all, you deserve it. In conclusion, Capture the Moment event planning is here to serve you. We are an expert in technology and utilize it to provide efficiencies in our service to make you the #1 priority. Competition is low, so there is no better opportunity than now to showcase our legendary customer service. We have a committed professional photographer dedicated to your schedule. And lastly, since Great Falls is centrally located, we want to give everyone an opportunity to explore and plan their wedding and/or event in the Big Sky Country. Thank you.